Well, to keep it very simple, a helium tester is a chamber that you put a vessel in that you want to test for leaks. Basically, we have a chamber that the part is put into, and that chamber is closed up, it's evacuated all the air, and they'll introduce helium into that part. The differential pressure between the helium in the part is positive to the chamber. So any leaks that exist in that part will find its way into the chamber, which is picked up by a mass spectrometer. If there is a potential leak or a detection threshold has been exceeded, then it would be sent down the line to the water testers for further diagnostics.
Our old process with the water testing was more of a discrete data, pass, fail, totally subjective to an operator's vision. The new helium testing rig, with the continuous data that we have, we can see in real time what our leak rates are on meters that have an issue, and even trend our current process to drive improvements to eliminate any leaks.
It's about being objective with the testing. When you perform water testing, you're pressurizing the vessel, submerging in water, and you're looking for a bubble. So visual acuity is very important. With helium, it's objective. We use a mass spectrometer to measure small quantities of helium that potentially exits the meter. We can measure that quantity and equate that to a volume. We're able to set up thresholds that would be undetectable by the human eye.
We now know the size of the leak. We never had that before with an operator. It was pass or fail. Now with the helium testing data, we know how large, how often, frequency. We can get it down to the operator level coming down the assembly line. It helps us drive continuous improvement projects throughout the rest of the plant. We have data now on every step of the process for the R275. It goes back about 1.5 years ago, we really started locking down that data. We can't function now without it. The way everything is tied in, that data is key to everything.
Ultimately, it is about the customers. They expect a quality product and consistent every time. We have to ensure that. Whatever methods we use, it has to continually improve that process and meet their expectations.